Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. And today we will have our reading lesson. Please prepare the materials needed: your reading booklet, your reading sheet, and a pencil. Got it all with you? Good job. And our learning objectives for today are: review and understand the key features of the story. Read and comprehend informational text from the selection. Understand and answer the critical thinking questions. What is our lesson for today? Our lesson for today is about stars. That is why the title of this selection is Seeing Stars by Donna Latham. Did you read this story last week? Excellent. Okay, kids, let's have a short review about the story elements. Okay, what is the title of our selection for this week? Seeing Stars by Donna Latham, and the genre is expository text. When we say expository text, these are information about the selection. Time is nighttime and galaxy sky. The main characters are the stargazers, and the secondary characters are from NASA. If the genre is expository text, automatically the author's purpose is to inform the readers about stars. Again, what is the meaning of expository text? It describes real things and places. Review time. Let's have a short review about the vocabulary words. The first one is shine, to give off light. Gas, often used for fuel. Gigantic, it means huge or very large. When we say dim, poorly lit. Temperature, the measure of heat or cold. Patterns, it means they have the same designs. Ladle, it is a spoon with a large handle. Now, open your reading booklet on page 26 and we will answer the activity. But before that, let's have a short review again about the selection. We have here a telescope. Have you seen a real telescope? Great. Do you know where the name of this thing came from? Let's find out. The word telescope is made of two Greek roots, tele and scope. Tele means far and scope means see. We use the telescope to see far objects, such as moon and the stars. Now let's go to the colors of the stars. So we have here blue, white, yellow, and red. What do you think is the color of the hottest stars? Do you think it's red? No, okay. The color of the hottest stars are actually blue, and the color of the coolest stars are the red stars. Stars are actually gigantic spheres of fiery gas, just like the sun. We consider the sun as a fireball. Why? Because it is really, really hot. Now, how can we protect ourselves from the heat of the sun? Yes, by using an umbrella or wearing eyeglasses. Are you familiar with the word constellation? Constellation is a group of stars forming a pattern, just like this image. See, you have here a star and another stars, and you're going to form a pattern. We call that constellation. Now, let's answer the activity. Number 1. What do you call an instrument designed to make distant objects appear nearer like stars? Is it a telescope, microscope, or a microphone? Did you say telescope? Correct. Number 2. These stars have the coolest temperature. Is it the blue, the yellow, or the red? The red stars. And don't forget that the blue stars are actually the hottest stars. Number 3. The word telescope is made of two words. Tele means far and scope means see, hard, or little. What is the use of a telescope? We use it to see far objects. Excellent. Number 4. What do you call a group of stars forming a pattern? Constellations, stargazers, or Earth? Constellations. Number 5. Stars are made up of blank and have different colors and sizes. How can you describe stars? Is it made of clouds, burning gas, or plants? Burning gas. Good job, kids. Now, go to page 27 of your reading booklet and we will answer the critical thinking questions. Question number 1. What does it mean when the author says you can't feel it, but right now you are riding on a huge merry-go-round? Have you experienced riding on a merry-go-round? Great! This is an example of a merry-go-round. How can we compare the merry-go-round to our planet? Look at this image. Just like the merry-go-round, our planet is spinning around. It is turning around the sun, but we cannot feel it because of the gravity. Exactly, very good. So the answer in number 1 is, it means that the earth is spinning around the sun like a merry-go-round. Question number 2. How do you know that seeing stars is an example of expository text? Okay, because it gives facts or real information about the lesson. Question number 3. Do you think light pollution is similar to air pollution? In what way? Yes, both light and air pollution is in the form of smog, black our views of stars. Good job, kids! Don't forget to watch the following links. It is also attached on the description below. See you next time!